Hi and welcome to Elevation Financials. We are so excited to bring you our workshops of super in plain English. So there's so many things that we can work through to help you understand how you can control your financial future, your goals and ambitions. So we'd love you to come along. We'll be holding these workshops near you at various locations. So please check the link below for the appropriate times and dates and locations for the workshop near you. So we're going to be expanding on our 5 keys to super in plain English. So first of all, enough funds. Do you have enough money to warrant a self-managed super fund? Next, we'll go through the investment strategy. That's my favorite. We'll look at the types of assets that you can buy through super that will lead to your achieving your goals and your dreams. Next, we'll look at insurance. You might need it, you might not, but let's do it right. We also need to look at the business real property. Can you buy your business that you run your business through? Can you buy the premises that you run your business through your super fund? So we'll look at how we can do that. And lastly, estate planning. Everyone gets there in the end, but let's make sure that we've got the documentation and the strategy in place that's right for you to make sure that your funds in your super goes where you need them to when you're finished with it. So please come along. It'd be great if you could click on the link below. There's registration details there, and we can make sure that we have a place for you at our next workshop near you. So have a great day, and we'll catch you at the workshop.